Hello everyone, my name is Foxy Girl here, and also I have a challenge for you guys. I got a challenge. It's called voice sound. And remember this California girls? California girls got it online. So I have a challenge for you. It's called voice sound. Like a voice manage kind of. So like it's like Alright, so the challenge is you need to do that. Like that. You need to try that. It's like hard. Like it's just like like you need to like grab like you need to feel your throat a little bit. Like don't feel it. Just like I can feel right here, but some people can just right down here. But if no one's actually feel your chin, so it's like that's it. That's the challenge. It's called voice sound. So please, voice man, voice sound. So yeah, bye.